All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still going over our visual transformers module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, if you recall, we went over the process of plotting out our reshape patches. But what I did is I implemented this code to actually do that, to plot out our reshape patches, but I didn't explain to you what the difference was between this and our original plotting code. So let me show you that really quickly. So as you can see here, this is our original. You can see here we have our plt.figure, our k equals 0 for I in range, for j in range, and then we have our k plus equals 1. And what else do we have here that's not going to be here? Our j here also, and our k plus 1. Now, take a good look at this, and I'm going to show you the code that we use to actually implement for our reshape. So you can see here the differences. So for one, we don't have the j anymore. We just have the for I in range. So you can see here, we don't have the J here. We have 0, 1, and that's it. Before we had 0, I, in J. Now we have 0 and I. Then here was a 16 by 16 plus K plus 1. As you can see here, we have I plus 1 now. And we no longer have the K here, the K plus 0. Let me make sure that's what it was at the bottom. I know it was K plus 0. I'm not sure exactly. So the K plus 0 was here, and the K plus equals 1 was there. We took off both of the Ks. So this K is gone, this K is gone. K plus 1 got turned into I equals 1 or I plus 1. And we took out this J here. So that's how we actually reformed our code to pick up our new reshape patches. That's what we use here. And we did take a lot more notes, and we did add some new code here that I'm not going to go over right now because there's nothing to run. So I'll probably just finish taking notes and finish doing what we're doing, and I'll go over this section tomorrow because it is a different section that we're doing here. It's a different piece of code that we're doing. This is not part of this plot right here. The plotting is done, and this we're moving on to do our patching coding. So that's what this particular code is here. Actually walking through the process of us creating our patching coder. Again, I will go over this piece of code tomorrow, since I didn't explain what our reshaped or our reconfigured, what do you call that there? Our reconfigured plotting code yesterday. So yeah, we went over that just now. We're gonna keep that as it is. So now we know the differences between the plotting of our original shapes and the plotting of our reshape patches. And tomorrow we'll go over the process of us creating our actual patching coder, which is here. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. And for now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.